हेलो, आज बन रहा है भरता। तो शुरू करते हैं। पॉट में ऑयल डाल दें। यस ये न्यू पॉट है, थैंक यू फॉर नोटिसिंग। तो ऑयल गरम करके ग्रीन अनियन के अनियन वाला पार्ट ऑयल में डालकर फ्राई कर लें। आई टुक अबाउट 4 to 5 स्प्रिंग अनियंस। यू कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज एज यू प्रेफर। After you have fried the onion, fry them until they're translucent type. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry that. Take 4 to 5 tomatoes, chop that up. Add in turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and then salt. I always add a little bit salt at first and then adjust as I go, obviously. Nothing is perfect. Then cook it some more. Just the goal is to separate the oil from the masala or gravy that you've tried to cook. So just cook it until the oil separates. You see? So here I am just showing off my new lid, and I'm just mixing some more. Then once you see the oil separated, take your smashed roasted peeled eggplant, add that in. Then take the green part of the green onions and add that in, mix it in, and now the goal is just to steam and put it on dum so that the onions and everything is well combined, the oil separates, everything is cooked. And there you have a delicious baingan bharta ready. Enjoy with garma garam roti. Take care.